What is good, everybody? Today again from Ceasar Graphics. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to replace face here in Photoshop. And without any further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. All right, so I have my two images here on my system, so I'm going to drag and drop them into Photoshop. So we're going to be putting this face on this baby's face. So let's start. So the first thing we need to do is to crop out the face that we want to replace. So I'm going to use my polygonal lasso tool to do that. So I'm just going to crop out the face. So okay, now I'm going to hit Ctrl J on my keyboard to make a copy of that crop part of the face. And then I'm going to drag and drop on the baby's documents, and I'll bring out the free transform, and I'm going to right click and flip this horizontal, and I'm going to scale this down. Then I'm going to position it somewhere around here. I'm going to scale it and rotate it a little bit. Just position it here and scale it down. So scale up just a little bit more, just like so. Now I'm going to make a copy of this. All right, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to hold down Control and click on the thumbnail of the man's face. All right, so I'm going to call this man. All right, okay, and I'm going to click on the select menu, and I'll go to modify and select contrast. So I'm going to make sure that my contrast is 3, and I'm going to click the OK button. And next is to hit the delete key on your keyboard on the layer of the baby. So I'm going to hit the delete key now, and I'm going to hold down shift and select the two layers. Then I'll go to edit. I'll select auto blend layers. All right, now I'm not going to do anything here. I'm just going to hit the OK button, but just in case these two options are not checked, please remember to check them. Okay, so I'm going to click on the OK button now. And now we have our baby's face replaced, but the image is looking too bright, so we have to reduce the strength of the brightness. So we need to use curve to do this. So I'll go to the adjustment tab here, and I'll select curve, and now I'm going to drag this down just like so. I'm just going to push this up like so. All right, now I'm going to change my blend mode to luminosity, and if you look at the image of the baby, you'll see that it looks as if there's a light effect um, coming out from this side. We need to create a light effect on that side so as to make it look like the image is real. So to do that, I'm going to hold down Alt and click to sample a color from the face of the baby, and I'm going to increase the size of my brush. I already have a new layer created, and I'm just going to click once, and I'll change my blend mode to screen, and I'll bring out the free transform on the light layer, and I'm going to scale this and just push this to this side. Then we need to do some small tweaking on the face. So if you look at this side, you'll notice that we're seeing some blending errors there. So we need to brush that out. So I'm going to select the layer of the replaced face, and I'll select the spot healing brush, increase the size of the brush, and I'll just gently apply the brush to where I noticed the error. And this is the final project. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and if you have not subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button and remember to ring the bell so you will be notified when I post my tutorials. Share, like, and comment on this video. I'll see you guys again in my next tutorial. Peace.